of the Mau movement. The inside layer of Lexi's costume is made of white tapa, or naua from the bark of the mulberry tree. The white naua represents the 50 years since Samoa gained independence in 1962. The coconut shells surrounding Lexi's costume strongly identifies one of Samoa's main sources of income that Samoan people relied on while fighting for its independence. The seashells surrounding the bodice represent Samoa's beautiful unspoiled rivers, lagoons, and beaches where our ancestors rely on for nutritious seafood while struggling during the Mau. Shells also represent Samoan jewelry made to enhance the beauty of the Samoan people. It conveys the Samoan way of life and symbolizes Samoan culture. The dark red tapa around her waist represents the blood of those who died in the struggle for independence. The black tapa represents the Black Saturday that left a nation to mourn the killing of the Mau leader, Tupua Tamasese Lealofi III. The whaimet, or the itonga wrap, around her waist is Samoa's most valuable item. Associated with its value are the quality of the materials and the small size of strips that are woven together, making this whaimet the longest incomplete. The skirting is made of very soft laurie, which is the inner layers of the low-flower flaps. The white silky fine texture like fabric protects purity, cleanliness, and neutrality. And the white color encourages us to clear obstacles and enable fresh beginnings in the same way the Mau enabled a fresh beginning for Samoan people. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 1. Let's investment of Shanine Samoa.
And contestant number 2, ladies and gentlemen, is sponsored by 5 Star Motors. Please give a warm welcome to Whalangi Langi Chan for Val Tuisarenga.